What was that?
I want to go back inside.
Here. Say it again.
I want to go back inside.
Why?
Because I'm soaking wet.
And why are you soaking wet?
Because I was out in water.
Well, don't you think that's going to happen if you're out in the rain? You're going to get wet? Hmm?
I like to get wet.
What do you think was going to happen? You're going to stay all nice and dry?
I thought I was going to stay nice and dry.
You did?
Yeah.
Wrong.
Oh.
Can you say, hello everyone at YouTube? Can you say that?
I'm soaking wet.
You don't want to say hello to everyone at YouTube? The wonderful world of YouTube?
Oh.
Okay.
No.
Ready to go?
And
You ready?
look at my shoes.
Oh my goodness. Jeez. Where are you at? Rolling around in the mud?
Yeah, I like to jump in the mud. How about this shoe? This one is gross.
Holy mackerel. We're definitely going to have to get you all cleaned up. You're not walking in the house looking like that either. Alright, let's go inside and get you cleaned up.